The free plan on Systeme.io includes 3 sales funnels, 2,000 contacts, and unlimited email sending. To collect targeted emails through a dedicated landing page for a free ebook download on a Systeme.io website, you can follow these steps. Create a landing page. Log into your Systeme.io account. Create a landing page specifically for your free ebook offer. You can usually design and customize landing pages using Systeme.io's built-in tools. Set up an opt-in form. On your landing page, add an opt-in form that asks visitors for their email addresses in exchange for the free ebook. Offer the free ebook. Prominently display the offer for the free ebook on your landing page. Explain the value of the ebook to encourage visitors to provide their email addresses. Promote the landing page. Share the landing page URL on your website, social media, and other relevant channels to drive traffic to it. Track and collect emails. As visitors arrive on your landing page and submit their email addresses, those email addresses will be collected by your integrated email marketing service. Keep in mind that it's important to comply with email marketing laws, such as the CAN-SPAM Act or GDPR, depending on your target audience's location. Always obtain explicit consent from subscribers before sending marketing emails and provide an option for them to opt out at any time.